Why a man should never chase a woman, 5 reasons to stop chasing after girls. To chase simply means making a repetitive attempt to win the desire of a lady who does not want you. According to some, it's your job as a man to initiate the pursuit of a woman and to put in maximum effort to show her you want her. To some extent that perception might sound true, but it can reach a point where it becomes flawed. A man should definitely be willing to do his part in the process of finding a good woman. However, he should not have to chase after any woman. So much wrong can occur for a man by overdoing his pursuit to get to know someone and create a relationship with them. A man should show a desire for a lady and not desperation. When you begin to chase a lady, then you have crossed the line. Why should a man never chase a woman? Do subscribe if you are yet to, do give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share with friends and loved ones so they benefit as you are about to. Now, why a man should never chase a woman? 1. You look desperate. Everybody likes to feel desired. There is absolutely nothing wrong with showing someone you want them and truly want to be with them. However, there is a line that gets crossed when your pursuit turns into chasing. At first, it may not seem too bad, but a man will eventually start to look desperate and women do not find that attractive. As a man, you do know the right amount of showing effort and desire, without taking things unnecessarily too far. If a woman isn't receptive to your efforts, then she likely just isn't interested. If she does have some interest but thinks a man is supposed to chase after her, then don't chase her. 2. A sign of trouble to come. How you start can be exactly how you finish. When finding yourself in the position of chasing after a woman, you have to understand what you may be setting the stage for. If you succeed in getting her, are you prepared to have a dynamic where you are constantly expected to make more of an effort than she is? If not, then you may want to pump the brakes on this chasing thing. I am in no way saying this is how it always plays out for a man who chased after a woman, but it certainly is how things go for a lot of men who have. Many have found themselves in a relationship or marriage where the burden of effort is constantly placed on them while the woman gets to take a wait-and-see approach. This only leads to bigger issues and more frustration later. A scenario you really will not want to deal with. 3. An unnecessary distraction. You know, when you chase something, you become very focused on it. At times the desire to catch what you're chasing will start to consume you. This is not going to be in your best interest. When you are chasing after a woman, you have now taken your eyes off the bigger prize, which is your growth as a man. You will be so caught up in trying to find ways to get her that you may essentially lose yourself in the chase. To make matters worse, if she isn't truly the one for you, then you are only hindering your ability to receive the one who is. So one way or another you will now be getting in your own way, and if that chase doesn't get you what you wanted, then you'll likely end up hurt, damaged, and deflated from the process. 4. You're not chasing what matters. Think about all the time you're putting into a girl who isn't giving you anything back. Now imagine you refocus that time and effort on doing the things that will benefit you. Some girls want to be chased, but these kinds of girls are usually insecure. They like the feeling of you being desperate to have them. And these are not the kind of girls you want to be in a relationship with. They deliberately make you chase them because that's what makes them feel good. Imagine the possibilities and opportunities you'll open up for yourself if you use that time to focus on growing, chasing your goals, and evolving into a better version of yourself. When you start chasing the things that matter, you become a happier and more fulfilled person. And this will in return attract the right people to you naturally. 5. You're not seeing reality. Sometimes girls do play hard to get, and it can be annoying when this happens. But in most cases, when a girl says she doesn't like you or doesn't give you any sign that she does, it's probably because she doesn't. If you've expressed how you feel to a girl, the ball is in her court, and it's up to her to decide what she wants to do. You've made your stance very clear. And if she tells you or insinuates that she doesn't like you, you have to be able to let go. That would be all for now. Thank you for watching and staying to the very end. See you next time. Until then, remain blessed.